Yeah, we're working on a number of projects all around the world that really try to take care of the community and help them prepare. But also part of the preparation is advocacy, especially in villages. And so we're working with a community development organization in Thailand called CODI, and they work with about 7,000 villages across Thailand, and we're developing a platform that helps them prepare for floods and other kinds of disasters, but also helps them share their assets. And the idea with that is that we would have this coordination platform that helps them grow some of their small businesses and data collect and be able to communicate between villages too if they need different types of resources. And so this again is great for the everyday, where it's really more about their economic output and helping small businesses grow. But the idea is that if there is a disaster, then they're already used to communicating and coordinating on this platform, so they can use that to help each other within the village and amongst other villages. I think this has been interesting also for a number of companies in the area, because it protects the people that work with them and work for them in the areas where different industries are set up. Because we're here in academia, we really try to treat each place and learn about each place, and we do field work in each place and get to know people in each place. And so we've struggled a little bit in scaling the things that we've developed, because we don't want to just have one thing that gets spread everywhere and then it doesn't work for some people. And so in each instance, we've gone to really understand what the issues are. And even though it might use a similar kind of base platform, we've adapted it so that it fits the location, which makes it very slow for us to scale projects. But we understand that we are sitting on things that many others can use. And so I think that growth and scaling process would be with partnerships. And so we're hoping that there will be further more partnerships where people who are grounded in different locations can work with us and then help us to scale, so that lots of other places and people can use the projects that we're working on here. So one example of partnering with a corporation or a company, currently we're working with IHI in Japan. They have a site that used to be a shipbuilding site, and it's still going to be industrial and logistics, but they want to contribute to their community, so they're also turning it into an evacuation space. And we are working with them both on the technology side and the design side of that project, so that it becomes a new logistics center, but then it also invites the community to evacuate there, because their site is higher than the surrounding neighborhoods. And the surrounding neighborhoods, some of the simulations say that if it floods, it could remain flooded for about 2 months. And so the hope is that, and it's difficult inviting people to a logistics site. It's not, it wouldn't be people's first thought to let's evacuate there. And so there's a lot of community engagement and then fun design and technology pieces that are going into that project to make it really serve both uses. So those kinds of projects and working, I think that's where the design aspect comes back in, that it's not treated as a disaster management project, but really with design we're able to reach out to people in different ways, pull people in different ways, and engage with lots of different people. And design is a way to sort of negotiate different interests, and so that there can be multiple interests, multiple uses, different times of the day, and so that type of site can be for everybody.